Nicola here. How are you all doing out there on planet COVID? Well, it's been a challenging 12 months, hasn't it? We've all had our little problems and big hurdles to deal with, but hopefully we are coming out of the other end. But to help you, I'm here to tell you about a free online retreat. This has been organised by a lady called Elizabeth Foley, and she's an artist and creative herself. And she's invited a variety of, they're actually women speakers, but if you're not a woman, it doesn't matter. You can still join this for free to do short presentations. That includes me. They're all bite-sized little chats, videos. There'll be painting, of course. There'll be journaling. There'll be meditation, all sorts of things. And every speaker is also offering you a free gift of some sort or another. Now, as I say, it is totally free. So give yourself a break, take a breather, and subscribe. All the details are in the box below, the description box below this video. And all you have to do is click on the link, which will take you to a subscribe button. All you do is enter your email and then you'll get all the information coming to you. It's completely free. So take a deep breath, dive in and see what you can do to recharge your batteries. But whatever you're doing, keep safe out there. Bye for now.